Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Axo Graphics. In this video I will be sharing with you two of my PLP file. It's been a while. This is almost 6 months after making my previous video. Alright, so I'll be sharing with you two of my PLP files. So this is the first one, the fictional flyer. So when you come to my project, come to my layers panel, you can see every resources I have used here. So you can just minimize anyone and save the project. You can just edit it. You can use the templates for any of your projects. So you can just so this is the first one. So the second one is also something, it's also a fictional flyer. So this one somehow similar, but it's taking a while and it should pop up anytime from now. I don't know why it's taking years. Oh, Pixellab, why? Alright, so it's now open. So this is the flyer. It's alright. Looking at it, that okay. So this is it. So you can just come here and these are the resources used. You can save the resources one by one if that's what you want to. Now the password to this video will be in the video description. Just watch this video to be displayed somewhere. Alright, so that's all for this part. If you can save these resources one by one, you can see I'm just minimizing them. Probably if there's anything you want to save, it may just be alright. Probably you just want to save this. You can just come here, click on this side, just come to layers panel, hide everything, leave the one you want to save. Then make sure it is transparent. Come to this side, this one, click on transparent, then come here, save as image and make sure it is in PNG. Then you can save in ultra or save at custom. Then just click on save, it will save. Then you have your resources there. But however, I'm not doing that, so I'm just keeping those two. So you can also do the same thing for this other artwork. Alright, so that's all for this video. We see in the next one. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.